Audra, I'm so glad you invited me on this. I can't wait to see these petroglyphs.
Me too. I'm so glad we got this chance to come to Thermopolis and hang out and do all these fun things.
I've seen some petroglyphs but there's only 1 or 2 drawings, and I guess this one has a lot. Well, hopefully Dr. Lorendorf will explain some of that. That's really neat that you found that he's coming here. Because, I mean, it's one thing just to see them, but to have an expert on hand.
Yeah, Dr. Lorendorf is giving a tour, so we are so lucky to be out there today.
Here we go with, look at that bizarre set of figures that you have there. I've been doing rock art studies now, this kind of stuff I'm 80 years old, so I've been doing it for 60 years. Okay, so 60 years I've been looking at this kind of stuff. And when I first came here and saw this panel, I tried to figure out what the heck is going on. I mean, how does that guy end up with his feet on this side of the rock and he ends up on the other side of the rock? And he's all mixed up with a bunch of arms and legs and another character stuck off the side of him, another horned head up over the top of him. I mean, he just is bizarre. And when these Indians who are on these visions, when they explain to anthropologists and others what happened to them, especially the mountain Shoshone or the sheep eaters, they say that they were sitting there and a little person came out. And the little person said to them, "Follow me, come with me." And they actually say the little people make the petroglyphs. But they say, "Follow me." They say, the little person says to the person who's the supplicant, the person who's hoping to get power, "Follow me." And the supplicant says, I can't. And the little person goes through the crack in the rock. They say, I can't go in there. And all at once their body stretches out long like this and they slide through the crack. And they're inside a whole different world inside. The entire place is filled with other creatures. And those creatures then greet that person and then say, "Okay, we trust you, you have a pure heart, we're going to give you this power," and so on and so forth and so on.
I'm so glad we came out here. I learned so much.
I know, it was just so fun. I'm so glad we decided to do this.
Yeah, it was so neat about when they talked about the vision quest and how they had to get very narrow to get into the rock, that they actually believed they were going into the rock and see a whole other population or a whole other people. Well, let's make sure we come back. Hopefully we can bring our families next year. That'd be fun.
I agree.